How the Father does things to me. Never before has someone been more unforgettable.
Okay, you may now share the cake. The sharing of this food symbolizes the couple's willingness to fulfill each other's need, creating a bond so simple and yet so strong. Sabi kung gano'n daw kalaki yung sinusubo mo, gano'n daw dapat, gano'n daw kalaki yung
kalaki ang
pagmamahal.
pagmamahal mo.
So, ang liit naman yan, Juba. Wala mong lalaki
Oh,
yan.
wala pang mas malaki nun. Yung mas malaki nun.
Dapat malaki.
Cross. I think you have to cross your...
Ready ka ba?
So, sabi nila kung gaano kalaki. Video. Oh. Kakaingit naman yan.
Nakakagutom naman.
Nakakagutom. Yun nga, kakaingit.
Pero ka.
Kasi gutom na ako.
Okay na yan, busog na kayo.